Okay, we're going to start soldering the, yes, what's it called? The magic wand now. In this segment, I'm hoping to be able to show you how to actually solder onto a copper pipe without using a torch. And really, the trick is that you need to have plenty of flux and a good hot soldering iron. From what I've been told, all of a piece of copper has to be the same heat, has to be the same temperature before you can actually before the solder will actually take and bond with the copper. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking my rondelle, which has been wrapped in copper foil, and if you missed that part, all of your solder has to, or all of your glass has to be wrapped in copper foil because that's what the solder sticks to. It's also important to remember that lead tin solder has, yes, lead in it. So this isn't, this isn't a toy for children or anything like that. You don't want them to suck on it, chew it. Okay. So this is basically ready to get soldered onto the pipe. Hi, how are you? Hi.
What's the spam carving?
What's that?
Is it spam carving?
Oh, it's carving spam, or in this case, luncheon loaf, because it's a lot cheaper than spam. Yeah, the idea is that everybody gets a piece of spam, and they've got to carve it into something interesting, which could be, I don't know, a bird of paradise, a fish,
Yeah.